Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 12 time part 5th. Okay, in previous class we discussed about all formulas in time, then convert, then we already studied convert 24 hours into 12 hours, then 12 hours into 24 hours. These are we discussed about in previous class. Today we will study how to convert year into month, month into days, then days into month, month into year. These we study today. First we convert year into month. Convert 3 years into month. 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. There we write solution 1 year is equal to 1 year is equal to 12 months. We have how many years? 3 years. 3 years is equal to 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36 months. Understand you? 1 year is equal to 12 months. Therefore, 3 year is equal to 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36 months. Then second question, 2 years 8 months into months. 2 years 8 months into month. Year into month, month into month. Now we write 1 year is equal to solution 1 year is equal to 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. Then we have 2 years 8 months is equal to 2 into 12 plus 8. 2 into 12 plus 8. 24. 2 12 ja 24, 24 plus 8 32 months. Then now year into days. Now convert year into days. 3 year into days. Year into days. 1 year is in ordinary way. 1 year is equal to 365 days. We take 365 days. Solution 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. We have how many years we have? 3 years. 3 years is equal to 365 multiply 3. Then you multiply this. 3 5 ja 15, carrying 1, 3 6 18, 18 plus 1, 19, carrying 1. 3 3 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Answer is 1095 days. Understand you? Then one more question. Four years, 125 days into days. What is our question? 4 years, 125 days into days. Okay? Solution. 1 year is equal to how many days in 1 year? 365 days. Then 4 years, 125 days is equal to 365 multiply 4 plus 125 days. Then first you multiply 365 into 4. 365. Then we add this 125 also we add. Okay. First you multiply 365 into 4. Then your answer come 1460. Then you add this. Then 5, 8, 5, 1. Our answer is 1585 days. You understand this? Now convert. "64 months into years." 64 months into year and month. Then first we convert months into year. 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. Solution. One month is equal to 1 upon 12 years. Therefore, we have how many months? 64 months is equal to 64 months is equal to 64 divided by 12. We say the first we divide 64 divided by 12. Then how many times gone? 5 times gone. Then 60. Then subtract this. Then your answer is 5 years, 5 years, 4 months. Our quotient is come in year. The remainder is come in month. Okay. Next. "80 months into 80 months into year and month." Again solution, 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year, then 80 months is equal to 80 upon 12. Then first we divide this, 80 divided by 12. Say the table of 12. How many times gone? 6 times 72. Then subtract 8, 0. Our answer is 6 years, 8 months. Understand you how to convert months into year and month. Next, days into year. 750 days into 750 days into year. Year, month and days. 750 days into year, month and days. First we divide 750 divide by, first you write solution. 1 day is equal to 1 upon 365 year. That is 1 year. How many days in 1 year? 365. In ordinary ways, we take 365. Then 750 days is equal to 750 upon 365. First we divide this. You don't know 300 table of 65, then you make this table in 300, you multiply. You take a rough notebook and multiply this way. 365, then second 365 multiply 2. Then 0, then 12, 13, heading 6, 7, 750, 30. Here, look here, then about 730 come here. How many times gone? 2 times 730. Then 0, 2, 0. This 2 years, 20 remainder is come. Again 20 we divide into. Then this is in days. This is in days. Again the remainder is more than 30, 30 or more than 30. We divide by 30. Okay. This is our remainder is below 30. Therefore, this is in days. Our answer is 2 years, 2 year and 20 days. There is no month here. Okay. Now, hour into days into hour. Convert days into hours. Convert days into hours. Convert days into hours. Say 3 days, 4 hours. Then first 1 day is equal to, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Therefore, we have how many days? 3 days, 4 hours is equal to 24 into 3 plus 4 is equal to 24 3 ja 72, 72 plus 4 hours is equal to 76 hours. Understand you? Here, then you do homework, do exercise 12.5 of chapter 12 in notebook. Okay? Then here end your time chapter. Thank you.